Okay, so this is a double face strap and it's made with a 350mm hook tip at each end of the strap. They both face upwards, so it's hook, loop, hook, and they all face the same way. And the idea of this is, rather than with a conventional strap you have a buckle at one end that the hook feeds through, the idea of this, these are used for cabling as well, but this one has been put together particularly with plastic pallets in mind. So where you would have a conventional strap with a buckle where you can wrap either around the goods on a pallet or underneath the pallet to secure the goods down onto the pallet. What sometimes happens is that because this body of the strap is underneath the pallet, it can get picked up with fork truck forks or pallet trucks, and it can start to damage this tape. So the idea of this, as we have illustrated on our website, on the product page of our website, which is linked below, because plastic pallets have a slotted base, you can feed this hook tip through one of the slots and then back up onto itself and fasten back. So that leaves you free then to wrap your goods down onto the pallet, and you have no strap underneath the pallet, so it can't get picked up with the forks, it can't get damaged. So that is the idea with this. You can use it on wooden pallets as well. The only thing that we would say there is just protect the sort of edge of the strap with a bit of cardboard, just to stop the wood from cutting or tearing the strap. But that's the idea of the double face strap. Like I say, they are used in other sectors, but this one in particular we've had put together, and it's available in lengths up to 6 meters. That does include both the 350mm hook tips. So there we are. That is our double face hook and loop plastic pallet strap.